AI avatar creation and launch guide, general use, 1. Concept development, define purpose. Identify the avatar's niche, e.g. lifestyle, fitness, fashion, entertainment. Audience research. Understand the target audience's interests and engagement preferences. Brand identity. Establish a name, personality traits, tone of voice, and visual style. 2. Design and modeling avatar creation tools. Use 3D modeling or AI avatar platforms to design a realistic or stylized digital persona. Visual consistency. Maintain consistent facial features, clothing style, and color palette. Animation and expression. Integrate motion capture or AI animation tools for natural gestures and expressions. 3. Voice and personality voice generation. Use AI voice synthesis tools to create a unique, consistent voice. Script writing. Develop scripts that reflect the avatar's personality and brand tone. Interaction. Style. Define how the avatar communicates with followers. Friendly, informative, humorous, etc. 4. Content creation, content strategy. Plan a posting schedule with a mix of photos, videos, and interactive posts. AI tools. Use generative AI for image enhancement, caption writing, and engagement analytics. Ethical standards. Ensure all content complies with platform policies and community guidelines. Platform setup, account creation. Register the avatar's profile on the chosen platform with accurate branding details. Profile optimization. Add a professional bio, profile image, and banner that reflect the avatar's identity. Verification. Complete any required identity or compliance verification steps. 6. Marketing and growth social media integration to promote the avatar across multiple platforms to build awareness. Collaborations. Partner with other creators or brands for cross-promotion. Engagement. Respond to comments and messages in a consistent, brand-aligned manner. 7. Monetization subscription tiers. Offer exclusive content or experiences for paying subscribers. Merchandising. Create branded digital or physical products. Sponsorships. Collaborate with brands for sponsored posts or campaigns. Compliance and ethics legal review. Ensure all content and data usage comply with intellectual property and privacy laws. Transparency. Disclose that the avatar is AI generated to maintain audience trust. Responsible AI use. Avoid misleading, harmful, or explicit representations. 9. Analytics and optimization performance tracking. Monitor engagement, follower growth, and revenue metrics. Feedback analysis. Use audience feedback to refine content and strategy. Continuous improvement. Update the avatar's design and personality based on trends and analytics. 10. Maintenance and evolution. Regular updates. Refresh visuals, voice, and content style periodically. Community building. Foster a loyal fan base through consistent interaction. Innovation. Explore new AI tools and creative formats to keep the avatar relevant. This framework supports the creation of a virtual influencer or AI avatar brand that operates ethically and professionally on any digital platform.